Hi, sweetie. Can you crawl to Mama? Come here.
I did it.
Yes, Chloe, you're a good crawler. Let's see if Billy will crawl with the camera on.
Billy.
Yeah, come here, big guy. There you go. That's how we do it. Big guy. Yeah. Oh, you gonna change direction? You decided not to come to Mama? Come here. Come here.
Come on, Mama.
Yeah, he's crawling to Mama. That's our big boy.
And it.
Just a minute, Chloe. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Honey, I can't do it when you're in front of the baby. Then we don't see it on the camera. Good job, big guy. Yay! You made it to Mama. Good job. Good job. There's big sister. She's so proud. Oh, I'm sorry you made it here.